Embrace loud budgeting, the money trend that will make you rich. What if I told you that being loud about your money could actually make you richer? Not in a bragging, obnoxious way, but in a way that empowers you, saves you a ton of cash, and gets you closer to your financial dreams faster than you ever thought possible. This is the power of loud budgeting, the viral money trend that's taking over the internet, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it to transform your finances. We're going to break down what it is, why it works, and how you can start using it today to save more money, pay off debt, and build the life you've always wanted. So, if you're ready to get loud about your money and take control of your financial future, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Come on, let's go. So, what exactly is loud budgeting? At its core, it's about being open and honest about your financial goals and spending decisions with your friends, family, and even yourself. It's about saying no to things that don't align with your budget, without feeling guilty or ashamed. Think of it as the opposite of quiet luxury. Instead of secretly spending a fortune on designer brands, you're proudly proclaiming, "I can't, I'm on a budget," or, "That's not in my financial plan right now." And the best part? It's not about deprivation. It's about prioritization. It's about consciously choosing where your money goes, so you can spend it on the things that truly matter to you. Whether that's a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or simply the peace of mind that comes with being debt-free. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't it rude to talk about money? Or, won't my friends think I'm cheap? And those are valid concerns. But here's the thing. The taboo around talking about money is what keeps so many of us stuck in a cycle of debt and financial stress. By breaking that taboo and being open about our financial journeys, we can not only empower ourselves but also inspire others to do the same. And as for your friends? The real ones will support you in your financial goals. They might even be inspired to start their own loud budgeting journey. And if they're not, well, maybe it's time to re-evaluate those friendships. Let's take a deep dive to overcome social pressure and embracing your financial voice. Let's be real for a moment. The idea of being loud about your budget can feel incredibly uncomfortable. We're often taught that money is a private matter, something to be discussed in hushed tones, if at all. This societal conditioning is precisely what loud budgeting aims to dismantle. It's about reclaiming your financial narrative and owning your choices, even when they go against the grain of consumer culture. Think about the last time you felt pressured to spend money you didn't have, or on something you didn't truly value, just to keep up with friends or family. Maybe it was an expensive dinner, a weekend getaway, or a new gadget. The fear of being seen as cheap or different can be a powerful motivator for overspending. Loud budgeting provides you with the verbal tools and the mental fortitude to resist that pressure. It's not about shaming others for their spending habits, nor is it about constantly broadcasting your financial situation. It's about setting clear boundaries for yourself and communicating those boundaries respectfully but firmly. When you say, "I'm saving for a down payment on a house, so I'm skipping that expensive concert," you're not just declining an invitation, you're reinforcing your commitment to your goal and inviting understanding, not judgment. This transparency can actually strengthen your relationships. True friends will respect your financial journey and may even be inspired by your discipline. You might find that once you open up, others will feel more comfortable sharing their own financial struggles and successes, fostering a supportive community. Imagine a world where discussing money openly leads to collective financial empowerment, rather than awkward silence. Furthermore, loud budgeting helps you avoid lifestyle creep. As your income grows, there's a natural tendency to increase your spending. By consciously vocalizing your financial priorities, you create an internal and external accountability system that helps you stay grounded and focused on your long-term wealth-building goals. It's a powerful antidote to the subtle pressures that can derail even the most well-intentioned budgeter. So, don't underestimate the power of your voice. Use it to protect your financial future, inspire those around you, and build a life that truly reflects your values, not just societal expectations. Being loud about your budget is a revolutionary act in a consumer-driven world, and it's one of the most effective ways to ensure your money works for you, not against you. Okay, so now that you know what loud budgeting is, let's talk about how to actually do it. Here are a few practical tips to get you started. 1. Define your financial goals. You can't be loud about your budget if you don't have one. So, the first step is to sit down and figure out what you're working towards. Do you want to pay off your student loans? Save for a car? Invest for retirement? Get specific and write it all down. 2. Create a budget. Once you know your goals, it's time to create a budget that will help you achieve them. There are tons of different budgeting methods out there, from the 50-30-20ths rule to zero-based budgeting. Find one that works for you and stick to it. 3. Practice your scripts. It might sound silly, but practicing what you're going to say when someone invites you to do something that's not in your budget can be incredibly helpful. Here are a few ideas. Thanks for the invite, but I'm saving up for a big trip right now, so I'm going to have to pass. I'd love to, but I'm on a strict budget this month. Maybe we can do something free instead, like go for a hike or have a picnic. That sounds amazing, but it's not in my budget right now. Can I take a rain check? 4. Find your money tribe. Surround yourself with people who support your financial goals. This could be a friend, a family member, or even an online community. Having a support system will make it so much easier to stay on track and celebrate your wins along the way. 5. Track your progress. Finally, don't forget to track your progress. Seeing how far you've come will motivate you to keep going, even when it gets tough. There are tons of apps and tools that can help you with this, or you can simply use a spreadsheet or a notebook. So, there you have it. Everything you need to know about loud budgeting. It's a simple but powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances and build the life you've always dreamed of. And if you're looking for more tips and tricks on how to save money, pay off debt, and build wealth, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. And don't forget to let us know in the comments below what you think of loud budgeting. Have you tried it? Do you have any tips to share? We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.